a lot more. If you can, and I know there, there's lots of stipulation from a high level because we're truck drivers and it's me. If you, what's the process? I get into an incident today. What's it going to look like? Let's say I'm down for I'm down for 4 weeks. Let's say the truck's going to be down for 4 weeks. I have an incident. I believe it's the other person. What do I have to start gathering for you? How just give us kind of the high level of how the process might work, what it would look like from today to a month, if you can.
Sure. Well, one of the first things to remember is every case has 2 steps. The first step is proving liability, proving that the other side did it, or getting them to admit to it. And then the second step is proving damages, proving how much you're out. So you could have $1 million claim, but if the other side doesn't admit to the accident and you can't prove that they were at fault, you get nothing. So proving liability, number one, and that means at an accident site, taking pictures up close, taking pictures back and far, getting witness statements, waiting for the police to arrive, make sure there's a police report done, getting video, getting tags and all types of other things. Securing your dash cam footage is a big one as well. So many cases are won on that dash cam.
Yes.
As well.
We're hearing that. What about it's a very stressful situation when you're in an incident, and I know from our insurance people, they're saying don't give statements to the police and don't do all that. Sometimes you're flustered. Sometimes the police are pretty persistent in asking for trying to get in. They're trying to get their information as well. If we say something, is that the end of it? If we've reenacted. I'm part of a safety group up here, and we've actually reenacted where a driver hit a school bus. No kids on there. We reenacted that, telling the driver to say that he was at fault. I did hit the bus. Finding out later, and this was an actual case by one of our insurance people, that the bus driver was at fault. So the truck driver had already said, yes, I hit the bus. I tried to stop. I couldn't. But it was the bus driver that turned too early. So what happens when a driver says something on the scene? Is that the end?
Definitely not helpful.
It's not helpful. I get it, but it's very stressful. I don't. If you've ever been in an incident scene, you may be hurt, you may be groggy, you don't remember what happened 2 minutes before. You're trying to see if everybody's okay, and you forget a lot of stuff, and you're saying things maybe you're not realizing it.
Yeah. Yes. One of the first, if the driver has a motor carrier, contacting the safety department there, and hopefully that safety department already has a list of things to do in the truck there to go by. I'm happy to talk to folks if they've just been in an accident and walk them through. Until they're my client, I can't give any specific legal advice, but I can certainly help calm them down and think through things. If it's going to be a while before the police get to the scene and everybody is already safe, take some time in the truck to write down a statement. Think it through, grab a pencil and start writing it out. And if you're not responsible for this accident, my gosh, don't admit responsibility. That's it sinks a case really quick.